Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 11th, 2025. Got the brake on. Just backing up out of the workshop here. So today, Thea and I, after cleaning out the snow, cleaning out some of the snow, blowing snow here on the property. I didn't get it all done, but I got enough done around here. We had some errands to run, and a little over a month ago, I ordered a new U.S. General Toolbox from Harbor Freight. I should turn on the heat on in here. And so I got the message that it came in like the day before yesterday, but we've been having pretty much steady snow. So today, since the sun came out, or partially came out, and it stopped snowing, we went to Oswego to the Harbor Freight and picked, and a couple other stores, Tractor Supply and Post Office and all, and went down and picked up the new toolbox. So hopefully it's in good shape. These are my favorite toolboxes, the U.S. General ones. Let's go ahead and move those forks closer together. They really got to be real close together to get into it from this spot here. Extend the boom out some. And bring it back a little bit. Lay it back down again. I may be caught on something in there. You know what? I'm going to widen those forks out a little bit. Nope. Alright, so at least I've got it here. Go ahead and back around here a little bit. Narrow the forks closer together. Okay. I'll reposition here. Is I don't plan on opening up the package today. Opening up the, unboxing the toolbox today. And I didn't see any significant damage to the box this time because I have had trouble, so I'm going to widen the forks out here some. And we'll get in pretty close to it. But there is a spot at the very top of the front that has a little bit of damage. I'll bring the boom back in. So, unloading these pieces of equipment with this Avant 860i and this beautiful, fully adjustable set of forks is fantastic. As you could see, hooking into the end of this pallet, it is those forks got to be right tight together, and I'd much rather carry it perpendicular to the long axis of the machine, much more stable than out there extending out on the forks. So this works out pretty well. and maybe tomorrow I'll see if I can unbox this and see how the toolbox looks. I've got so much stuff in my workshop, there just isn't much room in here during the winter months. So I got the bed there that we took out here not too long ago. Okay. So that's it. We got it off the truck safely. I'm going to go close up the truck. Close this up. I'll take a quick look at the box here and see how that looks. Okay. So the only thing I can see, looks like at this top end where the handle goes in, it looks like something caught onto it and just ripped it. So hopefully it's not dented in at all. So we shall see. Otherwise, the box looks good. Okay, fingers crossed, we'll get this unloaded tomorrow.